Hello everyone. So here we try out the tracking feature, and as we can see, it actually keeps up with us very well. We did do a little bit video editing for enhancement with a little bit of color, but overall I found this XbotGo or XbotGo it tracks really well and the video quality is very good. I don't have any complaints with it. This is a really nice unit for all kinds of occasions, creators, sports, anything and everything really.
It's XbotGo time! So this is the XbotGo camera. I love it. This is awesome, great for your cell phone. That's nice. This is nice and compact. Go ahead for the remote and take this piece off and then put the battery right back in. So guys, now that we have it turned on, we're gonna go ahead and set this up and see how well it actually performs.